Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have a Whatnot unboxing from Diecastdad99. Make sure you guys use my referral link in the description down below for Whatnot. You guys will get up to $15 to $10 to use. All you guys do is pay shipping and handling. And yeah, I'll put my referral link in the description. So make sure you guys go over to Whatnot and show me some love real quick by using my link. But first off, we have the Hollywood Boulevard Hot Wheels car. This is a 67 Ford. I think I paid $1 for this on stream. He was joking around. He said, we're gonna do a car for $1. He was joking with someone else, and I just swiped. I said, heck yeah, can't beat $1. Now we got the Porsche 911 right here in that beautiful black color. Set that off to the side. And this is where it gets a little bit interesting right here. We got another Porsche right here. This is a Porsche 935 as well. In that midnight blue with the little livery on top of it. And last but not least, we have the Liberty Walk Silhouette GT Nissan GTR. Beautiful car. This is for 2021. Beautiful car, man. I love Nissan GTRs. I love Supras. Two of the best cars ever made for Nissan and Toyota. But man, look at that car right here. I am going to be doing some custom cars here pretty soon. I'm going to get all the stuff for it, new wheels and stuff. So I'm going to be making customs myself. I'm going to learn how to do it. Because I think when people do customs, I think putting wheels on cars like these too, changing the wheels, will look dope. But let me know what you guys think about these cars. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. And make sure you guys go down in the description box and click on the referral link. All new users, I guarantee you guys are going to get $10 to $15 to spend on Whatnot free. All you guys do is take care of the shipping and handling. But until then, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and have a great day. Late.